Just a little pit bike swag for you guys gonna go out. That's brand new CRF70 plastic that's black. Never been mounted, never really even been unpackaged. We got a CRF50 High Performance CDI, Katako. I know a lot of you guys could use that. PZ20 carburetor intake and air filter. You've got a twist throttle and new grips. KLX110 headlight. You can use it on pretty much whatever pit bike you're building. Same thing with this seat cover. It'll go on anything you're building. This Renthal Barpad will go on anything you're building, especially if it's green or green and black, who knows. Here's a CRF50 in-style seat cover. Those are a little more badass. But anyways, this stuff is gonna go out to you guys, and I'm gonna explain all the rules and everything in the post, so be sure and look. Guys, if you're into projects, if you're into pit bikes, I mean, you gotta check out the page because we're always doing one or the other. And check that one out. There's always something you could check out maybe you hadn't considered or seen before, or you know, there's all kinds of stuff out there outside. We got some old school pit bikes. There's an old XR80 CR60. Look at that thing, man. Not a lot of people even know what the hell it is they're looking at right there, but that's about as badass a mini as there's ever built. So you guys be sure and check out the page. The rules are real simple. Get on the YouTube page. You like this video and subscribe. You just subscribe to it right there. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do is comment, tell me what your project is, and be on the lookout, because as soon as we get to the number we need, I'm giving this stuff away. I'm thinking I want 200 in this competition. And it's not just one giveaway, boys. You're gonna get a cherry pick it. Whoever gets first, you'll get to choose whatever you want out of here. Whoever gets second gets to choose what they want out of here. And I may make it sweet. I may make it 2 things. You never know. But I know you guys got some projects. I know you could use it. It's been sitting up there, sitting around here. I've got access to more of it if I need it. I'm looking out for you guys, and I want you guys to be subscribers, and I want you to check out what we have to offer, because it's some real shit, man. And there's all kinds of bikes. We have a track. Check out some of the wrecks. Check out some of the racing footage. Check out some of the homie footage, just the guys chilling and stuff. And really be sure and look at what's going on, because we got a lot of stuff to offer. If we don't get the takers by March 15th, if it isn't full by March 15th, then we'll just do the drawing then. I'll do it live on YouTube or whichever group has the most people in the competition. So we already gave away one engine. We're giving away another. I'm throwing this pit bike stuff to you guys, and be sure and look out, because we got a lot of pit bike activities going on over here. You know what I'm saying? Lots of pit bike activities going on. Here's some pit bikes. Look at there. There's some pit bikes. There's parts galore in here. And I'm not using them all, so I think I'm gonna give a lot of them away. And it's gonna be to my subscribers. I'm reaching out to Facebook. Once I get as much people over from Facebook as I can, it's gonna be only subscribers. And the subscribers are in on this one, so act fast.